This is a Vivo V30e smartphone. This mobile received a new software update. Coming to the size of the update, it is 359 MB. In the update log, they mentioned that this mobile security patch will be updated to May month. Right now, we are in June month. Not only these, but they also mentioned that some improvements in the camera app list and some other. I'm going to download this update. Let's see the changes after updating the mobile. This is the latest mobile release from the Vivo smartphones in Vivo V30 series. Right now, many people are noticing a lot of greenline issues in different branded mobiles, which includes Samsung, Apple, Motorola, Nothing, etc. Let's see whether this mobile update is perfect or not. Alright, now I downloaded the update and I'm going to install it. The update process took around 4 to 5 minutes and you cannot do anything in this process apart from waiting. I have been checking this mobile for the past couple of days and soon I'm going to post a lot of videos related to this mobile. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and also the bell icon to the side of it to get every notification from this channel when I upload a new video. Alright, now I successfully updated the mobile. First thing, there are no greenline issues. This update is picture perfect. Also, I checked if there were any noticeable changes in the app or settings, but I didn't find anything. The data and apps in the mobile are there that I installed previously. So that's the update of the Vivo V30e smartphone, guys. Only the security patch is updated with some minor bugs which are not at all noticeable. Share this video if possible to the Vivo mobile users who are particularly using this smartphone.